Hello guys, so in this video we will see about the dashboard functionality that is newly introduced in Odoo version 16. Alright, so let me go over here in dashboards menu. So you will be able to see that this is a very interesting view that they have provided. Okay, so you will be able to summarize each and every kind of data directly from here. You will be able to see that. Okay, now here there are different kinds of the parent and the sub menu are provided. So you will be able to see that how I will be able to configure it. So first of all, let me show it to you. So you will be able to see this is the title of finance, and under it there are sub menus are given, right? So we can easily configure this dashboard. You will be able to see this is the title finance, and in which in the spreadsheet tab I will be able to define this particular menu name, and in which the related functionalities will be there. Now the second thing that is related to these menus over here, like I can also change the sequence of these menus. So such an example, like if I want to make it the CRM at the first place, then the sales, then let's say the marketing part, then finance, and then at last human resources. Okay, so when I will go at dashboard side, you will be able to see that this sequence has been changed successfully. Alright, the next change is related to this one, like if I want to change any kind of view directly. Okay, so I can easily go over here in the edit part, and this dashboard will be opened in the spreadsheet. So if I want to change any kind of let's say the value over here, I can also change it. So such for one example, like this is the revenue is generated, and each and everything is generated based on the formula. Automated computation is done over here. Now basically if I want to change, suppose if I want to change this revenue, okay, and if I want to give any kind of the another value over here. So suppose in the data part, instead of this 23,800, if I want to give another value like this one, so this column is B5. Okay, so I have to go over here, and I have to click on edit. So you will be able to see that this is the column. Now I can just go over here and select this column like B5 and confirm it. Okay, so this particular value will be updated over here. Now this is a particular graph, like suppose if I am opening any another kind of graph. Let's go here in the expense part. Okay, so over here by edit, if I want to change suppose any kind of chart type, like right now it is in the bar graph, but if I want to change it accordingly in the line graph, I can also change it. You will be able to see that. If I want to change it into the pie chart, I can also change it accordingly. Okay, and this is suppose there will be bar graph. So there is one option like stacked bar chart. So if I will enable it, then this view will be automatically get changed. Okay, now here you will be able to see that link to Odoo menu. So I can also select any another kind of menu also. So when I will click on this, it will redirect to the expenses expense module. That will be the expenses, the list view of the expenses. Okay, now the second thing that is provided over here is the designing part. So I can easily able to change the color of this graph. So just for one example, like I have changed here like this one. If I want to make any kind of custom color, I can also do that. You will be able to see. Okay, alright. Now if I want to give here any another title or update any another title, like expense for employees, let me update it, expense for employees. So you will be able to see it is changed. Now legend position, if I want to change it over here at the top, so you will be able to see that this values position is successfully changed at top. If I want to make it at the bottom side, so it will come here at bottom side. If I want to make it at left side, so it is coming over here at left side, and finally it will come over here in the right side also. So according to the audience flexibility or the users flexibility, you can also change the legend position. What are the values are coming over here, you can also change the position accordingly. Okay, now just same like you will be able to see that if I want to provide if I want to filter these values in a different way, I can also apply the filter. Okay, you will be able to see that the year filter is already provided. So if I want to change anything, I can also change it accordingly. If I want to make it if I want to apply the filter of any kind of product as well, I can also apply it. If I want to provide the filter of the account, like if there will be any kind of the analytical account also will be there, so I can also apply the filter. Now this will be the date range, like the date there are very deep configurations are given. So if I want to give any kind of the date filter, okay, so I can also provide the date filter over here. The time range, that will be year, quarter, month, or the relative period, I can also define. So suppose if I want to provide the quarter, so quarter automatically filter on the current period, the default value. And here I will apply different kinds of things, like the top categories, different field names are here. So according to the users flexibility, I can also provide different kinds of field, KPI to report, KPI to validate, period offset. There are different kind of values are provided, right? So I can also provide this kind of the filterization over here. Now just same like this, if I want to add a new filter based on the relation, like new relation filter and the related model, so I can also provide it. Suppose like to the contact I have provided, okay, and the default value should be the based on the this employee Abigail Peterson, okay, and I can also save this parameters accordingly. All right, so this is just a sample that I have given to you. Okay, now just same like this, when I will go to this edit part, and when I will just want to remove this filter also, so I can also remove it accordingly. Okay, now if I want to change like edit it, this kind of view, this is a scorecard. And if I want to change any kind of chart type also, I can also change it. You will be able to see this is a gauge view. The same like the line graph, the pie chart, I can also change the size, like this one. Okay, now if I want to change the color over here accordingly, I can also change the color. You will be able to see here. So I'm just changing the color of it. You will be able to see. Okay, so like this I can also change the color. I can also give the title name, like expense, reimburse expense. Okay, so this title will be changed accordingly. Now baseline description also, if I want to give one like expense example, so this will be also baseline description can be also given. Okay, now baseline color on value increase, color on value decrease. So basically this kind of thing I can also provide based on the conditional formatting, right? Like when there will be value increase, then it should be like this color, and when there will be value decrease, then it should be like this color. So when the value will increase, the system will automatically apply this color, and on the decrease of the value, the system will automatically apply this color. So like this also I can apply conditional formatting as well over here. All right, now if I want to you will be able to see that these all values are coming based on the computation. You will be able to see over here. Okay, now let's come on this dashboards again. these dashboards, and let me show it to you over here from this dashboard side also. If I want to apply any kind of let's say the year kind of filter, so I can also apply it accordingly. If I want to select over here any product, I can also select. If I want to select any employee related expense, then I will be also able to see it over here. And if I want to see it based on based on the customer, like let's say any kind of contact, all right, so I will be also able to apply it over here. Okay, now this is the expense analysis graph is coming, all of these values are coming over here. Okay, now let me show it to you that how I will be able to add a new dashboard for the project. Okay, so let me go over here on the configuration and dashboards, and let me write the name like a project. Okay, now I'm just giving over here the name like a task. Okay, now you can also define the group of the users, like this particular sub menu will be accessible from which kind of security group of the user. So you can also define the group of the user, so it will be so much flexible and easy for different users also to access this dashboard, to access these graphs based on these sub menus. Okay, now over here you will be able to see that let me just go on the project module. Okay, now over here in this project module, let me go over here on these tasks. Okay, so for this list view also I can just you will be able to see insert list into the spreadsheet. Okay, so if I want to insert direct this list into the spreadsheet, the system will ask me that in which dashboard you want to add it. Okay, so insert the and how many rows you want to also insert. Suppose I am just giving over here values like 10 records of the list. Okay, because I don't want more records in the dashboard. Now here you will be able to see I have to just search like task. Okay, so it is coming here automatically and I will confirm it. So here this 10 this data is coming successfully in a new sheet. If you want to rename this sheet, you can also rename it over here accordingly, like a task list view. Okay, now let me just confirm it, and you will be able to see this list is coming here automatically. Now I can also add let's say if I want to add another kind of graph also based on let's say group by customers or group by project as well. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, so here you will be also able to see insert into spreadsheet. Now again I am selecting over here the task, and I will click on confirm. So it will be also gonna added over here. Now let me go once again on the list view, on the line chart, and also insert into this tasks spreadsheet. Okay, it is successfully added. Now if I want to also edit it, change the position of this, I can also do that. You will be able to see. Okay, now just same like this, it will be automatically saved. You will be able to see this. Now this is the pie chart. I want to again insert into the spreadsheet. So this is dashboards, and going to the task again, confirm it. So it will come over here. Now I am just changing the position of this, and you will be able to see the title like bar graph. I am just changing the title. Okay, now for this it is pie chart. Now the same thing, if I will click over here also, this will be automatically get changed. You can be able to see that. Okay, and this is pie chart, and over here this will be line graph. Okay, all right. Now for the Kanban view or any else view, like let's say the map view also, let me show it to you over here by the Kanban view first of all. So let me go over here in the Kanban view, and you will be able to see that link menu in spreadsheet. So I will just click on link menu on spreadsheet and will click on task spreadsheet. So here you will be able to see that it is successfully coming my task and it is also linked with it. Okay, now if I will just cut it and go here on the first one sheet and just paste it, so it will come over here at graph side. Now this list view also, if I want to just cut it from here, and I am providing the list view here. Okay, this is saved. Now going here in my tasks again. Okay, so like this also the link I have given in the spreadsheet of Kanban view, just same like this for the Gantt view also. I will be able to provide this link menu in spreadsheet. Okay, so I will also add it. Let's add it. Okay, in the task, so my task, and I can also edit the name accordingly, like the Gantt view. Okay, Gantt view. All right, now confirm it, and let me cut it from here, because each and every time when you will add something, it will come over here in the new kind of tab. Okay, so let me come on the sheet 1 and let me give the name, let me just paste it over here, Gantt view. Okay, and I can also edit it like it is Kanban view. Okay, so it will change successfully. So let me go over here again to the dashboards, and let me show it to you, project and task. So like this dashboard is coming over here successfully, like bar graph, pie chart, line graph, the link of the to the Kanban view and the Gantt view. So you will be able to see it is redirected to the Gantt view. This is the list view. Okay, if I want to suppose if I want to add the filters also over here, I can also provide the filters as well. You will be able to see that, like as I have shown to you, like any kind of date filter I can provide. If I want to give any kind of relation also, I can provide. If I want to add any kind of text based on the default value, I can also add it. Okay, so I can also provide the filter like 2002 and the year range is this, and based on this field matching, I can also provide the date field, like let's say the created on and period of offset, the previous value, before previous, next, after next. So like this I can also provide the filters as well. Just same like this, it is already provided. You will be able to see that in the CRM menu also. Okay, so for these also leads, there are different kind of filters are provided. You can see last 365 days, based on this one, days to win. Okay, so just same like this, you will be able to apply these filters here accordingly, and you will be able to add this kind of any kind of view into the dashboard. So it is so much flexible. You can also provide the link into the in the dashboard as well. Let's change the color of this one. Okay, so when I will just click on the bar graph, you will be able to see it is redirected over here. Okay, now let me go once again in the configuration of the dashboard, and over here let me just edit it. Now you will be able to see, if I want to cut this graph, I can also cut it. If I want to delete it, I can also delete it. If I want to make it duplicate, I can also make duplicate for this graph as well. Now if I want to let's say if I want to change the color, so I can also change the color over here automatically. Just for one example, let me take this color, and for the pie chart let me take any another light color. Okay, and these changes are saved. Now let me go again on the project dashboard, the dashboards menu, and go here on the task. So you will be able to see that color is changed successfully, right? So like this Odoo 16 has provided different kinds of these menus related dashboards functionality, and it will be so much flexible for users to add any kind of view into the dashboard. And when I will also provide any kind of group by or any kind of the grouping functionality also, it will come also into the dashboard as well. Okay, so like these are some example of this dashboard. You will be able to see that you can also provide the filter of the country as well, like let's say the United States. Okay, so the values will also change here accordingly. If I want to change it like last 7 days, last 30 days, the values will also change. You can see this. If I want to see the for the sales team, like sales or previous sales, okay, so as per the sales team, as per the sales person also, these values will change. Okay, now this is the dashboard of an example of the pipeline. This is for sales, you can see this. Okay, this is for the product. Okay, this is for the point of sale and events. This is for the accounting part. Okay, for the invoicing part, you will be able to see this is one kind of benchmark. So this is one kind of, it is also a type of a graph. So gross profit margin, all of these things will come over here. This is expense view. So I had previously given like this kind of filter will by default apply. So I have just cancelled this filter, and these values are coming over here successfully. This is for the human resources employees kind of dashboard view, and you can also filter out the data. Okay, this is the project task kind of dashboard I have made recently. So like this you will be able to see that it is so much flexible for users to make different kinds of views in the dashboard, and then they will be able to represent in the front of their team or in the front of the management. All right, so that's it about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.
We are certified Odoo Silver Partner. We have done 300 plus Odoo implementation. We have 200 plus custom apps, 20 plus Odoo products. We are providing different kinds of Odoo ERP services to our customers worldwide. Please email, Skype or contact us for any kind of your business requirements.